Let's welcome to one of the largest parks in the Maldives. Before we explore the park, let's take a look at its history. This area was once a natural mangrove wetland that has existed for thousands of years. Dating back to the very formation of the island itself. Over time, however, its size and ecological value were gradually degraded due to human activities. Today, this remarkable wetland has been transformed into a beautifully preserved natural park where both locals and visitors can relax, gather, and enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The park offers a range of modern facilities. There is a dedicated children's playground, an outdoor gym for fitness enthusiasts, and spacious open areas suitable for birthday celebrations, wedding receptions, community events, and many other outdoor activities. Beyond its recreational value, the park also serves as an important habitat for local birds, fish, and other wildlife. If you listen carefully, you can hear the beautiful songs of birds filling the air, creating a truly peaceful atmosphere. This park has become one of the most popular attractions on Faresmathoda Island, welcoming both local residents and international visitors. If you ever visit Faresmathoda, this is a place you should not miss. Its calm environment and natural beauty offer a refreshing escape from everyday life. Most importantly, the park plays a vital environmental role. During the rainy season, it acts as a natural reservoir, collecting rainwater and helping to regulate the island's water levels, reducing the risk of flooding. Covering approximately 68,000 square feet, it is one of the largest parks in the Maldives, making it a unique and valuable public space. Every time I visit this park, I feel a deep sense of peace and relaxation. Surrounded by nature and the sounds of birds, it is the perfect place to unwind. Like any public space, the park requires regular maintenance and care. We all share the responsibility of protecting its plants, wildlife, and facilities so that future generations can continue to enjoy its beauty. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I look forward to seeing you here one day.